Hello guys, today I've got the Edifier W280NB Pro and I'm going to show you how to find your headphones. At first you need to have the application downloaded. The application is called the Edifier Connect. Here in this application you need to tap this gear icon right there in the top right corner and then tap Find My Device. Tap Search. And now here audio is playing. It doesn't sound like correct sound to find your headphones because it sounds like a car reversing or something like that, like for example some truck, but it works and it's like this. That's it. Goodbye.